Is your iPhone showing Safari cannot open the page? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and fix this. Open settings on your device first and then tap on the Wi-Fi you were connected to and make sure the Wi-Fi is in proper working condition. If not, tap on the Wi-Fi you were connected to and click on Forget this network and rejoin again. Also, if you are using cellular data, go to Cellular and then on Cellular Data Options and in Voice and Data, make sure you are on 4G or above. Go back to Settings and scroll down and search for Safari. Scroll to the bottom and click on Advanced and then on Website Data. Click on Remove all website data and then on Remove Now. Go back to the Safari page and click on Clear History and Website Data and then on Clear History and Data. Now, go to the Settings homepage and click on General. In General, go to Date and Time and make sure it is set to Set Automatically and the time zone is correct. In General again, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings, and your Safari should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.